Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I just went apartment shopping yesterday and I want to give y'all my honest reviews on the top 3 apartments that I visited in downtown Houston. 2 out of 3 of these are high rises and then there's 1 mid-rise. They're all in the central downtown area. The main things that I'm looking for are an apartment with a parking garage because I'm not parking on the street, the in-unit washer and dryer, a nice gym, nice like amenities. So let's start the first apartment. The first apartment that I toured is called the Camden. This is like a chain. They have these everywhere. So I visited the one in downtown. For reference, we're just gonna start here. The rent is $2,430. So keep that in mind as I show y'all like how this apartment looks. This is a 1 bed, 1 bath, and it is 855 square feet. So that's pretty small for this price. Okay, let's get into it. I'm gonna have my laptop here to reference what I shot yesterday. First thing with the Camden, y'all, they have a gas stove. And I don't know about y'all, but like, I don't know how to use a gas stove. Like, I grew up with the electric ones. The sink was really nice. They didn't have any snacks in the fridge. I didn't like that. When I'm touring apartments, I need a little snack to keep me going. No snacks, okay? But they did have the ice maker and the filtered water, which I love that because I'm not carrying in a case of water every time. The patio and the view was really, really nice. Look at the city. Like, this is a really nice view. Like downtown Houston. It's giving city life. It's giving, you know, big girl apartment, all of those things. The bathroom was nice as well. I liked how it had a shower and a tub. I liked the closet. It was really big, really spacious. One thing I do like is the fact that they have like that 2-way entry, so your guests don't have to walk in your room to get to the bathroom. Since this is a 1 bed, 1 bath, they can just come through that outside door. Now let's take a look at the gym, okay? The gym was nice. They had a little room for like yoga, a studio. You know, it was given. Aesthetics were nice. Oh, if it wasn't so hot, this would be relaxing. You could do yoga out here. They had a nice lounge area. Everything was pretty nice, but I just don't feel like it was worth that much. Like, it didn't give me $2,000 worth of a feel. It was more like $1,600, $1,700. I really like the parking situation in this one because like I said, I want a parking garage. I want to make sure my car is secure. I don't want my windows getting busted into. So I like the fact that this one had, I think, 5 levels of parking and it was really secure. Like, you can't even tell behind because the thing closes so quick. This apartment also has a concierge 24/7, which is really nice. That gives me that hotel feel. The Camden also has a Skyline. It's a beautiful view of the city on the top floor. I like the view, but I just think like right here we need to build some stuff. Cause that's giving me like I'd be scared to walk down there. Lots of working space, so if you are working remote or you have a call or a meeting, or even if you want to film content up there, it's pretty quiet, it's spacious, and it's just aesthetically pleasing. I also like that they have the little app to open your phone, so you literally just like download the Chirp app and then like put it to the door and it automatically opens the door. So I like that. I like not having a key because I just don't want to carry a key. So that was really nice. Let's go on to apartment number 2. Apartment number 2 is called Circuit. This one is also near the Camden. Again, these are all near each other. I thought, well, let me just tell y'all, like as soon as we walked in, girl in the leasing office was just like very weird. She was just giving weird vibes. And then when we told her we had a tour, she was like, a what? And we were like, a tour. And she just looked at us like, do you not do tours? Like, do you work here? Like, I was confused. I'm like, does she work here? Anyway, she worked there, but like, she was just not in the mood to give a tour. She was just very dry, and then she would just literally, like, this was her tour. Oh, this is the pool. This is the gym. Like, just giving you like very obvious statements like, okay. So we walk into the apartment. Now, one thing I'm gonna tell you off real, one thing I don't like about this place was like, they have those outdoor apartments. This apartment is like an outdoor, like it gives me that motel vibe. So I don't like that. But one thing I did love about this apartment, they have a study. So as soon as you walk in, there's the study on the left. They have that in-unit washer and dryer. Now it's not a stackable. We love a stackable. The stove was electric, so off rip, I love that. I loved how this was decorated. It felt so homey. So this made me like this apartment, just the home vibes. They had a stand-up shower and a tub in the bathroom, which is really, really nice. And they have that master bathroom with 2 sinks. So I really enjoyed that. And the closet was very big. And they have carpets. That's one thing that I wanted in my closet and my bedroom is carpet. So they had carpet. I really appreciated that. I love that. So it wasn't the best view. The pool was decent. It was very small, but nothing spectacular. Y'all, the common area literally looks just like a hotel. Like, it literally looks like a hotel with the 3 little computers on the side. There's a fridge in there. I mean, I guess this is nice if you do want to do like a banquet. I feel like it gives a banquet hall. Like, you know how the hotels had a banquet hall? It literally gives a banquet hall. All in all, I thought this apartment was decent. This one was about $1,600. I feel like I wouldn't spend that much on a 1-bedroom there, but it wasn't horrible, if that makes sense. Okay, let's go to apartment number 3. This one was called Market Square Tower. And y'all, this hands down was my favorite one. First of all, when you pull in, you don't even know this is an apartment complex because like, it just gives like luxury building. We just got to apartment number 3. Now off rip, this one is really nice. They have a valet. So they valet our car. Okay, fancy. So when my friends come visit me, y'all gonna have to get your car validated. So anyway, we're gonna go in here. We're about 15 minutes late, per usual, but this one is called Market Square Tower, so I'm kind of excited. The valet parking is for the residents and the guests, which love that. Like, and it's no additional cost. So off rip, when I get out the car, I'm like, ooh, this is nice. But as you walk in, the lobby was just like my mouth was literally open, y'all. Oh, look at the lobby, y'all. This is. Should we move in here? Look at this is the leasing office. I think I'm gonna move in here. Oh my gosh, where am I? So anyway, lobby was amazing. This was the caveat, y'all. Like, this is what they did. So you know how like regular leasing offices, they have like the little desk. Oh no, they have an apartment. They're working out of a model unit. So she brought us up to the 20th floor. And as soon as we walked in, like, I'm literally just like stunned. Like, my face is just like, I already knew this was gonna be expensive. Like, as soon as I saw it, y'all, I'm not even gonna tell y'all the price. Like, we're gonna wait until the end to tell y'all the price. But as soon as you walk in, there's like this long like hallway, and then you have a study on the right. So with this one, you have, like I said, you have the study, and you have a half bathroom, a full bedroom with a closet as big as my bedroom, and then another bathroom with a stand-up shower and a tub. So y'all, this one was like amazing. Like, even just, oh, it was just amazing. Oh my gosh, the closet. Oh my, no, this is crazy. Oh my gosh. Is this the other one? Now, this one was going for $5,000. So when she said that, I immediately was like, oh yeah, let's see a 1-bedroom because we cannot afford that one yet. But the view was amazing. Like, obviously we're on the 20th floor, so it's a great view of the city. Like, you just see all the skyscrapers and all the buildings. So we went to go see the 1-bedrooms, and y'all, they were just as nice as the first one that we saw. Like, for a 1-bedroom, y'all, this was so spacious. Like, they were able to fit a dining room table and a couch in there, and that's kind of hard to do in a 1-bedroom, and it looked really nice. The closet was still amazingly big, and they have carpet again in the closet and the bedroom, which I love that. They also had an ottoman in the closet, and that was just so pretty. Like, even if I don't move there, I'm gonna steal that idea from my own closet because I love it. It's the perfect layout to like put your shoes in order or your purses. It's so aesthetically pleasing. Like, I literally was in love with the closet. I would literally move here for the closet alone. Balcony was amazing. Like, I fell in love with the view. Like, you literally feel like you're standing next to like all these skyscrapers. Like, I feel like if I just put my hand out there, like I can grab a building, and you can't. But y'all, like, it was just so nice. The master bathroom was really nice. They had 2 sinks. And there was also that door that leads in from the kitchen so that, again, your guests don't have to come in through your bedroom to use the bathroom. Literally just love the way they styled this, they decorated it. Everything was just so nice. Now this one was more affordable. It's still a little pricey, but it was $2,900, so almost $3,000. But look at the material, like look at what you're getting. I feel like this is definitely worth the money. This is literally like an investment. Now let's talk about the amenities. They had multiple pools. We only visited one, but this pool was so nice, y'all. Like, it was literally a rooftop pool, and you're like overlooking the city. It was kind of small. I just imagine this pool being packed on a Saturday morning. If I was living there, I don't know, I'd be out there every morning. They also had a really nice gym, and y'all, the gym had 2 Pelotons. Not 1, but 2. And the gym, it just smelled really nice. Like, it didn't smell like sweat, or it didn't smell like a gym. It was spacious. The gym also had a view of the city, so like everywhere you turn, it's just a nice view. Like, love that. Love that. She also let me know that there's a bar as well, and this bar is open until like 12 a.m. y'all. All types of good drinks and cocktails. I didn't see a price, but I did ask her, like, are these normal drink prices or like hotel drink prices? Because those are 2 different things. She said it's pretty much normal, like it's the same price as you would pay for like a margarita anywhere. So I thought that was really nice. Like, you have your friends over, you guys can go get some drinks and then go to the pool. Y'all, I'm literally loving this place. Like out of 1 to 10, this would definitely be a 10. And this is definitely my top choice. So these are my top 3 apartments that I visited in Houston so far. I still have a lot more to see, but make sure you subscribe and hit the bell to be notified and follow along the journey as we move to Houston. I'll see y'all in the next video.